Cat can sleep everywhere is a fact, even on food.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth brain, smooth.
Hello, lady. Wanna take me on a ride? Why buying a dishwasher when you can raise a cat?
You don't have to knock, you can just come in.
Wow, gentlemen here must have been taught really well. A scene describes all two status of cat. Where does she learn that move from? It's so awesome. Imagine winning a lottery. That happiness is the same as what Kitty has here. Remember what I said about cat stubbornness? Sometimes it's not so good. Welcome to our show, a normal morning exercise with Mr. Cat. Brothers are always there through ups and downs.
Aduh, tolong ibu, kekecilan ibu tempatnya.
So even the Hitler cat drinks water like normal one. You think someone turns on the button? Think again. Whoa, I just had a nightmare, pal. Someone pushes me off.
Huh?
And the comedy show today has come to an end. Thanks for watching and see you soon.